How to upgrade Verizon phone 2025 step by step. Upgrading your Verizon phone in 2025 can be confusing, but most people get this wrong by not checking eligibility first. Here is a simple, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check upgrade eligibility. Open the Verizon app or log in online, then go to My Devices to see if your phone is eligible for an upgrade. You won't believe what happens next. Sometimes eligibility depends on payment history or existing promotions. Step 2. Choose your new phone. Browse the latest devices on Verizon's website or in store. Consider storage, features, and whether you want a trade-in. Step 3. Trade in your old device. Verizon offers credit for eligible devices, which can reduce your monthly payments or the upfront cost. Step 4. Select a payment plan or pay in full. Verizon provides flexible installment options for most phones. Step 5. Complete the upgrade. If online, follow the prompts to activate your new device. If in store, a technician can help transfer your number and set up your phone. The surprising truth is that doing this online is often faster than visiting a store, but trade-in values are higher when done in person. Following these steps ensures a smooth upgrade and avoids service interruptions, letting you enjoy your new Verizon device immediately.